The often repeated claim, dating to when the remains were first found, is that they are those of Arsinoe IV, daughter of Ptolemy XII and younger half-sister of Cleopatra VII, who was sent in exile to Ephesus, a Roman city, after rebelling against her sister, and who was later executed on the orders of Mark Antony. These claims were based on the small size of the skeleton, which is not a reliable method for making those kind of hypotheses, and the mausoleum's construction, which was theorized to replicate the famous lighthouse of Alexandria, which would have been Arsinoe's hometown. At the time, the cranium was removed and it eventually made its way into the collection of the University of Vienna, where it faded into relative obscurity until 2022, when inquiries about it prompted Gerhard Weber and his colleagues to do a modern analysis which upended pretty much everything we thought we knew about this person. They did a state-of-the-art morphological, genetic, and dating analysis of the cranium and further analysis of bone samples from a femur and a rib bone of the skeleton found in the same tomb. The genetic analysis found that the cranium and the femur belonged to the same person, and radiocarbon dating placed the life of this individual in a time range of between 205 and 36 BCE. But most intriguing was the DNA analysis, which confirmed that the individual is male and therefore not Arsinoe IV. In fact, this person was actually an 11 to 14-year-old boy who suffered from significant developmental deformities and asymmetry in his mouth and eyes, and had an ancestry from the Italian peninsula or Sardinia. So while this answers the question of, is it Cleopatra's sister, with a resounding no, it now begs the question of, who was he? This discovery has opened a wide range of new research questions on the origin, fate, and social background of the Octagon Boy. He was possibly a Roman living in Ephesus, and future analysis of the strontian isotopes in his teeth might help understand whether he was born and raised locally or arrived from abroad. Why this young boy was buried in such a prominent Egyptian-style building within Ephesus also remains a mystery for now.